wish I had something to eat. Snow.
Snow? No!
More snow.
No, no snow. Still no snow. Now there's snow.
I've had a marvelous idea. Let's see who can make the most massive snowball.
Absolutely. No, wait for me.
Mine's the biggest.
Man.
A snowman. Magnificent.
It needs a nose. Nice.
It's freezing.
Need to do something to warm us up. Fun.
Fabulous. It's snowing, it's snowing.
Our cheeks are merrily glowing.
We'll slip and slide in igloo's hide, and snowballs we'll start throwing. It's snowing, it's snowing. The hot chocolate is flowing. The world's turned white,
But that's all right.
sledging's where we're going. That snowman is super fun.
Look out!
Sun. It's too hot.
Mr. Snowman is melting.
Need to get him somewhere cold. Now. Fan.
A fan will keep him cool.
No! It's blowing him away! No fan! No fan! Tan. No! That's not better. That's worse. Van.
An ice cream van. Cool.
Very, very cool. We can keep the snowman frozen while we drive him somewhere cold.
We're going where it's snowing. Excitement's quickly growing.
We can have fun without the sun and keep on ho-ho-hoing.
This is much colder.
No! We didn't switch it on.
He's melted.
No. Ice cream. Excellent. Men. What's that?
Magnificent! It's the snowman.
Not snowman. Snowmen. Alphablocks.
Extraordinary scenes here today in Alphaland. Excellent crowds for the extra special Extreme Vowel Race. Vowels, are you ready?
I will win! I will!
No, you won't.
Expect thrills. Expect spills. Expect excitement.
Ready, steady, go!
And they're off to an extremely fast start.
Van.
A's ahead.
Bus.
That's the ticket, you. O is off.
Red.
Expect the unexpected. Extraordinary. I is showing exceptional energy.
I don't need help. I will win.
You'll never win on your own.
Fog.
Mud. Unbelievable. Unbelievable.
What an extraordinary race!
I can win. I will win. Tap. Bug.
Mop.
Hen.
I'm exhausted just watching this.
I can win. I will win. I can win. I will win. I can't win. I won't win.
No, no, no. No giving up now. We'll help you, They can do it. Din. Din, din, din. Din, din, din.
I will win. Picking our din.
Next. Fin.
I will win on the dolphin.
Next. Wait. What about me?
Win. I am a winner.
Extraordinary.
I shall win the race. I am the winner.
Hooray!
Alphablocks.
I'm late.
Hello, T. You're in a hurry?
Too true, H. I've been invited to a tip-top tea party. Look. Do you think I look tip-top?
How about a new... I just dropped in. Hat. How about that?
A tip-top top hat. Time I was off. Doodle-pip. Teedly-um-tum-tum-tum-tum.
Fantastic hat, T.
Not really. Time flies. off to a tea party.
I just dropped in. Again. Fan. Fantastic! Amazing!
It's a tempest. Stop that hat! Tally-ho! Tricky.
Bit blowy, Tea.
Too right. Have you seen my hat?
I just dropped in. Bat.
Terrific. Time for a quick game of cricket.
Brilliant shot! Amazing! How's that?
Wait a minute. No time for cricket. I've got a hat to catch. Everything okay, T? Lost my top hat.
Emergency! Emergency!
I just popped in.
Pet. Terrific. A terrier. Time to teach you some tricks. Tumble. Tremendous. Tee. Tickly tickly. Wait a minute. No time for tricks. I've got a hat to catch. The tea party. No invitation. No tea. No hat.
I just dropped in. I just popped in. Now, who's going to help get that pesky hat?
Don't panic.
Zap.
Nice. Try again. Tally-ho!
Tap.
No tap. Tap, tap. Tap, tap. Not now, eh? I'm looking for a tap. Tap, tap. It's you. Tap, tap. A tap. A tip-top tea tap. A tip-top tea party. And a tip-top top hat. Nice.
We can laugh, we can sing, la 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 la.
We can make
Anything. Hold my hand. Make a magical wand.
When letters get together, we go alakazam.
We can run, we can slide, we can hide in a box. Are you ready for some fun with the Alphablocks? Alphablocks!